Hey traders, Coach T, TackleTrading.com here. If you run a portfolio that has more than 5, 7, 10, 12 positions in it, I would call that a dynamic portfolio. And if those positions include options, specifically bull, bear, neutral, and credit spreads, like a lot of traders do, then here's my thought of the day. Make sure that you keep track of your portfolio totals in a journal. What is your overall balance? How many trades do you have? How many bullish? How many bearish? How many neutral? What is your delta? What is your theta? And by the way, you can download and keep track of all those numbers in the Tackle Portfolio Journal. Get over to TackleTrading.com, look up Tackle Portfolio Journal, and use it. It will help you as an option trader running a portfolio keep track of the information that you need to keep track of. This is my thought of the day. Coach T, TackleTrading.com. Get in the game.